What if a five-star hotel, a supercar cockpit, and an off-road beast were fused into one unstoppable machine? That's exactly what Monaco Coach has done with the 2027 Monaco Dynasty, and the world is not ready. This isn't just a motorhome, this is a revolution on wheels, and today we're pulling back the curtain on everything that makes it the most shocking luxury motorhome ever unleashed. The moment you see the 2027 Monaco Dynasty, your jaw drops. Gone are the boxy, outdated lines of traditional motorhomes. Monaco has crafted a bold, aerodynamic silhouette that slices through the highway like a private jet on asphalt. The sleek LED lighting strips wrap the front fascia like a crown, while the massive frameless windows give it a presence that screams power and prestige. This beast stretches up to 45 feet of pure visual dominance, commanding every road it touches. Step inside and prepare to be completely overwhelmed in the best way possible. The 2027 Dynasty's interior feels like a digital command center wrapped in Italian leather. A massive, curved 4K cinematic display panel runs across the dashboard, giving the driver complete control of navigation, climate, entertainment, and vehicle diagnostics at a single touch. The living area features heated Italian marble flooring, a chef-grade kitchen, and automatic slide-outs that expand the interior into a breathtaking open-plan living space. Every surface whispers luxury, every detail screams intention. Here's where things get truly shocking. The 2027 Monaco Dynasty is powered by a 600 horsepower twin-turbo diesel hybrid powertrain, a first for the motorhome segment. This system delivers extraordinary torque, allowing this 45-foot giant to climb mountain grades effortlessly while returning improved fuel efficiency. An integrated electric drive mode handles low-speed campground maneuvering silently and smoothly. Can any other motorhome match this performance package? Absolutely not. Monaco has loaded the Dynasty with a 360-degree AI-assisted safety suite, radar-guided collision avoidance, automatic lane correction, adaptive cruise control, and a surround view camera system with night vision. It even features self-leveling hydraulic suspension that reads road conditions in real time, delivering an impossibly smooth ride regardless of terrain. This is technology that was only reserved for private jets until now. Starting at approximately $650,000, the 2027 Monaco Dynasty targets the ultra-premium motorhome market with zero apologies. It challenges Newmar, Integra, and Tiffin simultaneously, and frankly, it dominates. This isn't a purchase, it's a lifestyle transformation. The 2027 Monaco Dynasty doesn't just raise the bar, it obliterates it. This is the future of luxury travel, delivered today, wrapped in power, elegance, and pure cinematic presence. Which feature shocked you most? Drop it in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to LuxForge for more cinematic AI-powered reviews of the vehicles shaping tomorrow today.